think they were more intimidated with this.
Okay, we'll take that around with you. Make sure you buckle it in when you're in the car.
I mean, check this out. This is an Ann Taylor lobster. It's hideous.
Anything from Ann Taylor lost is hideous. But there's the bitch. Right there. See that movement?
You just... Did you get that on tape? Go do it again.
Can you gotta...
Are they coming?
I don't think...
I think they're...
It's because the eyes are pointing in that direction.
Oh! But they're hardly visible. There it is. There's something.
Oh, should I get swooped at?
I think if I'm near the bird's nest.
This is the greatest thing ever.
I can't find them.
Cooing at me.
I don't think it's cooing.
Cooing. Scowling at me.